This is Piper and Josiah. I just want to show you how to make peanut butter balls for your bird. Okay. You're gonna need peanut butter, bird feed, a spoon, and a bird to eat it. Okay. I finally got a person to record. So, that's what you're gonna do. You're gonna open peanut butter, scoop. You might get your hand dirty, but scoop it out. Just until ball. Just like roll it in there. There it is. And you're gonna just let it sit there in the refrigerator. Caution, humans do not eat it. Only birds. You can make it, but without bird food. But the birds, you're gonna let it sit there until one day or like a couple of hours till it's like kind of hardened, and then you're just gonna sit it into the cage and they'll eat it. Thanks for watching Piper and Josiah. Bye.